In Word, your abstract should be one tight paragraph. I'll show the fastest way to draft and format it correctly. By the end, you'll have a clear abstract, the right heading style, and a polished layout for submission. First, click where the abstract belongs. Click in the document where the abstract goes, then type one paragraph summarizing your purpose, methods, results, and conclusion. Stay on Home and use normal style unless your instructor asks for something else. Next, format the heading and spacing. Put abstract on its own line, then use Home to bold or style it if required. Keep the paragraph spacing consistent. For quick cleanup, press Ctrl+A to adjust spacing or font across the section. Finally, check the word count and trim extra words. Go to Review, then Word Count to stay within the limit. Remove filler, fix awkward phrasing, and keep every sentence focused. Pro tip: write the abstract last. It's much easier to summarize the finished paper accurately. Since you're already writing in Word, GenText helps with citations and bibliography work, so the rest stays organized. If you're writing a paper, GenText handles citations and bibliography